For the 2019 season, all sign-up and payment for SMGA events will be done by the Tournament Management System software created by Golf Genius for USGA. If you have registered with the Tournament Management software, as covered in tutorial number 2, you are ready to sign up for an individual or a partner event. This tutorial will show you how to sign up for an individual event, as well as for a team event, such as 2 better balls of 4. As in previous years, the first step is to click the golf ball. That will take you to the sign-in screen where you click Sign In. Your email address, your password, click Remember Me, and click Sign In. We can now review the event schedule looking for an individual event. You will register as an individual, both for individual events, like individual Stableford, match play, or stroke play, or for team events, like 2 better balls of 4 or 3-2-1. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will look at event number 1, Sea Pines at Heron Point. If you click either the logo or the blue title, you will be taken to a description of the event. If the event as described is to your liking, click Register. And click Submit Registration for approval. Continue by clicking Event 1 and Next. Review your personal information, and if correct, click I acknowledge and continue. Fill in your billing details and click Next. The final step in the process is to include your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and click Pay. If you have successfully completed all the steps, you will shortly receive an email from SMGA acknowledging your registration, saying that you've been put in the queue and that you will be informed as to whether you have been accepted in the tournament when the registration period closes. This concludes tutorial number 3.